Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Candice here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I answer your most common French questions. The question for this lesson is, what is the difference between amener, emmener, and ramener? These words seem very similar, but you have to memorize the differences. Otherwise, you might confuse whoever you're speaking to. So let's go through them. The base verb mener means to lead. It's a more general term. For example, Napoléon mène ses armées à la capitale means Napoléon leads his army to the capital. And j'espère mener une bonne vie means I hope to lead a good life. Amener means to lead to, or to take someone to some place. You bring someone to some place and leave them there. Emmener means to go with, to bring someone along. You go someplace with another person and stay with them. Ramener means to lead back, to take someone back. You take someone back to the original place. These prefixes are also used for the base verb porter, meaning to carry or to bring. Remember that porter can only be used with inanimate objects. If you are talking about a person, cat, or even an alien, you have to use mener. Apporter means to take to bring to. You're bringing something someplace and leaving it there. Emporter means to bring with. You're bringing something someplace and staying with it. Rapporter means to bring back. You're taking something back to the place it belongs or its place of origin. So remember the prefixes. A, take and leave. En, bring with. And r, bring back. One more time. A, take and leave. En, bring with. And r, bring back. If you remember the prefixes, you should know the meanings. That's it for this lesson. I hope that clears things up for you. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below and I try to answer them. À bientôt. See you soon.